Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you know that saltfish I made. Well, I'm going to do something to eat with it. So today I'm doing green banana, ripe plantain, and pumpkin and coconut dumpling. And we normally do ground provision as well, but I'll do that another time. Ground provision can be things like yam, edo, cassava, sweet potato, dasheen, etc. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the ends of the plantain and the banana. So I'm going to remove the inner part of the pumpkin, and you can boil it with it and remove it later, but I prefer it like that. And we normally peel the banana, take off the skin and boil it. It is easier that way, but I prefer to boil it in the skin. So let me go ahead and wash them, and I'm going to boil the banana and the plantain together. Place it in my pot. Place the pumpkin in my pot, and you can steam your pumpkin as well, okay? Pumpkin don't take a long time to cook. That should be enough to boil my pumpkin. We turn on the stove and leave them to boil. So I'm going to knead the flour to make my dumpling, and I'm using 1 1/4 cup of flour and some coconut. Now it's up to you if you like your dumpling with a lot of coconut. I just grate a little bit. And you guys see a lot of time I grate a lot of coconut, so I use this side of the grater. So I'm going to sprinkle some salt. Just a little for taste. Mix that up with my hand. Pour my flour, and you can put more coconut if you want. Some extra flour if it's too sticky. And just knead it well. And just knead it to a form though. So this is good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to roll them out. That's how we do it. See, you know that coconut. You see our circle is ready. So what we are going to do, we are going to put it in the boiling water to boil until they cook. Coconut dumpling, my favorite. So guys, you see my goodies here boiling. So this is how you determine that the plantain is finished. it gives you a split. Do you see that split? So we're going to take that out. The pumpkin, you can insert your knife, and if it goes down easy, it's finished. And it don't take a long time to boil. Pumpkin are very easy to boil. The bananas, you can also insert your knife in the banana to see if it's finished. That needs a little bit more cooking. So I'm going to put my dumplings in the boiling water here. And let that boil. So guys, I'm going to insert my knife into my banana, and if it goes down easily, that means it's finished. Yep. So I'm going to drain out the water, and I'm going to give it a wash. I'm going to put it on my plate to cool. You can cook your dumpling 15 to 20 minutes, okay guys? And remember to keep this halfway, because if you cover it, it's going to boil over. And you can cook it on medium heat, low heat, with whichever you prefer. Guys, it's been 20 minutes. My dumpling was boiling, so I'm going to turn off the stove and remove them. And guys, there you have it. One way to eat the saltfish. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to peel off my plantain. I'm just going to show you how we do it. And you can have your saltfish with whatever you want. Banana only, dumpling only, rice. You can leave it whole if you want. Cut it. You can slice your dumpling. The coconut in there, slice it. Then you just plate it and you put your saltfish on top. And you can put a little avocado, cucumbers, whatever you want, whatever vegetables you want. And here's your nice saltfish. Thank you again for watching.